Billetes preparados.
Wait, what?
Billetes preparados.
That's
Get your money ready.
Really? That's funny, huh? I don't want the bolita.
With the train.
I don't know if you want him or which one. Go. Oh, you closed the gate. I didn't even know you did that. I'm gonna close the gate on my end. Nope, can't both fit on here.
Open the gate.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh, the way I had the phone is really good for a video. Cool. How come the tower's not talking?
Click it.
Welcome to the station. Here comes the train. Talking here, talking there, talking everywhere. Choo choo, come on, train. You said I don't play this every day.
Yeah.
I fucking know the whole song. That says enough. Oh God.
Break it up. Delivery.
Wait, how do you? Aha. There. He can stand there. Beep beep. Willkommen Sie, das ist der Bahnhof Essen-Seigen. And I got the VTEC Thomas train I play with.
Yep.
And I got the Thomas. I have everything for trains. Stay flat. Stay flat, but don't be fat. Wow! Wait. Oh no!
Oh, almost there.
Please open.
The train will arrive in 5 minutes. Bienvenido.
Whee! I like doing this. This is fun. Like, I don't know. This is fun.
Oh no! Unicorn fell. There you go.
The train will arrive in 5 minutes.
Operator.
Hello. Have a nice trip.
Between this toy and that one.
Talk to you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
This has been so much fun.
All right.
Bye.
The train will arrive in 5 minutes.
Yeah, destination now.
Bye. Who's going now?
Train, the blue train.
The blue train. Oh.
Yep. We get fixed.
Wow. Through the. Beep beep.
Green.
Oh look. I can turn the bunny on it. I wrapped it around it. The sign.
Oh.
I like doing this, the noise. Whee! The crazy bunny spins. I love it. That clicky noise, something about the clicking, I like it. Do you know, I don't know if you get it. Like, I could, like, it's kind of like my baby thing, that little wooden thing. The noise is the sensory. I love it. No! Thomas, wait, put it back on, put it back on. No. Can we stay on it?
Yeah. Just stay on. Yeah.
Green train.
The train will arrive in 5 minutes.
Bye, Percy.
Which means
Wait, what did he say?
They go to Rotterdam.
What do you know in German? Woo!
Crank it, crank it.
Look at Percy in the back of his face. Oh god. Oh god. Look at his face. Oh god. Oh
He's
god.
like freaking out on his fault. No.
The train will arrive in 5 minutes.
Dubious. Sim. Justice. Oh no, Percy had an accidente.
And he had the face like, I'm going down.
Should I go again?
He's also in the shop. Bunny. Come on.
You put these together, we have more fun.
Oh, we got those tracks too? Okay.
Yeah, but they don't go to the
You can build it in there. Around this area.
Okay, it's fun. Oh, look at this. We got the little green thing. Here's the
Oh,
little.
little greenhouse.
I don't know what you're gonna put it.
Yay.
Por favor. Open in German is öffnen Sie. What is it in Spanish?
Open.
Por favor.
Open. Open, please.
Yeah.
Abre, por favor.
In German it's öffnen Sie bitte.
Es un fin pizza.
Öffnen Sie
Elfen Sie
bitte.
pizza. Elfen Sie pizza. Hey, I can learn German. Elfen Sie pizza.
I learn Spanish.
Hi.
Talk shit about everybody else.
Yeah. There you go.
Red.
Time to go, said the hoe. Through the tunnel. Wow. Pay attention.
Yes, circle.
Woo! You can play Ring Around the Idiota. Oh my god, this is funny. This is a hilarious video. Play with the babysitter. I did say Ring Around the Idiota. It can't see you though. I haven't.
Oh, where's the dragon?
Wait, what are you doing? Yeah, you're wearing a train. You're literally instead of saying a basket case, you're a train case.
A train station. A bunch of wackos.
Oh well, that's what pills do. Please take your psych meds. The train is coming in 5 minutes.